up guys, my name's Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are putting together my Christmas village. This is in my dining room hutch, and it's been a great solution to not having it under the tree. My husband and I have 4 cats and they turn into 4 little Godzillas for the Christmas village if it's under the tree. So this has been a great solution for us. This is part of the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge being hosted by Christina over at the DIY Mommy. If you haven't checked out her channel before, I will have a link in the description below so you can go check that out, as well as a link in the description and at the end of the video to the playlist with all of the other videos as part of this challenge. So you can go check that out, see what everyone else came up with. The Christmas one is always so much fun. There's so many good ideas. So definitely go check that out. If you're new here, welcome to Crafty Treat Adventures. I do cake videos, craft videos, just love doing creative stuff and would love to have you as part of my adventure here. We're getting super close to 1,000 subscribers, which is really crazy. I never thought I'd be seeing anywhere close to that number, so it would be awesome if you would click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the channel. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and I'll show you how we put together our village. So this is the hutch beforehand. First step was just kind of taking out all of these old decorations that I had up for fall. I do have a video on making that little scarecrow on the top too. So first step was just clearing it all out, and then you can see on the left hand side here I have 3 holes drilled into each section. That's just to be able to run cords through each tier of it, to be able to plug in some of the bigger pieces that light up, as well as the string lights for each section too. So first up, just took, this is, I believe it was marked as like buffalo snow. It's more of a blanket snow as opposed to just a bag of fluff. So I just cut it down to size and have each layer laid with the blanket snow on it, and that's kind of our base for everything to start. And then as you can see here, I ran cords through each one. Each one has 3 prongs on it, so that'll hold 2 of some of the bigger pieces, as well as the string lights for each tier. So next up, I just took all of my pieces out of the boxes and spread them on my dining room table. As you can see, some of the bigger pieces with the cords do plug in and light up. Some of the smaller pieces, you just run the lights up through the bottom of them to get them to light up. That one in the back there lights up on its own. It has a little button that you set it on, and then we have in the back there our little skating rink. It's supposed to, the little guy's supposed to skate around. It doesn't seem to be functioning for me this year, but I'm hoping to figure it out. And then these are some really cool pieces. These are from my husband's family. His grandfather on his father's side had these pieces, and they were handed down to his father. So some of these are really, really old pieces, and it's just cool to have them as part of the village too. So then first up, I just always take my bigger pieces that plug in and my string lights, get those kind of situated, plugged in, and then start running my string lights around each shelf. Usually I start kind of run them across the backside and then wrap them back up through the front, trying to stick them into those house pieces as I go. It takes a little, it's probably the most time consuming, frustrating part to kind of get everything matched up and lit up, but it is worth it. When it's done, it just brings it all together and kind of lights up the whole piece. So next up, just some of the smaller pieces, placing those, and it kind of at least gives us our base for the main parts of the village, and then it's just kind of detail work from there. So I have some fencing, different kinds, a whole bag of trees to put around, and then also a bag of roads. So there's like a cobblestone pathway, a brick pathway, and then it's just a matter of kind of cutting down the road pieces, running them across each shelf into the appropriate places, and then adding trees around to fill in some gaps, give some dimension and height to different areas, and just really filling it all in and making it look just full and pretty and complete, and throwing in the fences. And then that's pretty much all there is to it. It sounds super simple. It is a little time consuming, but I love how it turns out, and I love that it's in the hutch and it's behind the glass, and it looks just so cute at night, lit up, and it's just really peaceful to kind of stand there and look at it. And I just love how it turns out, and I love having it up in the hutch like this, not just because it protects it from the cats and stuff, but I don't know, it just gives it a really cool feel, and like I said, it's just peaceful to look at it, so I really do enjoy it. So enjoy this little montage. I did some while you know, it was lighter out, and then I tried to do some from when it did get dark, and you can see the lights a little better too. Alright, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm curious, leave me a comment down below. Do you guys set up a village? What other traditions do you guys have each year that you look forward to decorating or doing? I'd love to hear from you, so definitely leave me a comment. Thanks again to Christina for hosting this challenge. I will have that link in the description below, or you can click on the top right here to go watch everybody else's videos. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks again, guys, and I will see you on the next adventure.